ANRGS series grid simulator power supply with 5-inch touchscreen. Compact, lightweight, for U height, fits standard racks. Uses advanced SPWM, FPGA digital processing, and high-power switching technologies. The power supply has a 100% energy feedback to the grid function. Operates in all 4 quadrants, significantly saves energy, reducing operating costs. Can output AC, DC, and AC plus DC power. Provides precise power input for AC, DC, and rectifier loads. Sets waveform on-off angles for testing inrush current and output hold-up time. Also sets voltage and frequency change rates to scan the input specification range of the device under test. ANRGS series widely used in PV storage, EVs, charging stations, switch mode power supplies, IEC standard testing labs, and production lines. ANRGS series can achieve 3-phase and single-phase operation. Both 3-phase and single-phase outputs can reach the maximum capacity. Feature sequence, pulse, and step programming with a minimum step size of 1 millisecond. Harmonic synthesis from second to 50th, interharmonic synthesis bandwidth of 3000 Hz, equipped with RS-232, Ethernet, optional RS-485, GPIB interfaces. ANRGS suits PV inverter, automotive BOBC, switch mode power supply testing. Offering professional solutions to enhance R&D and production testing efficiency. Ainuo Instruments was founded in 1993 and is a shareholding technology enterprise. The company has substantial resources and owns 2 industrial parks located in Jinan and Qingdao, Shandong Province. The total area of the parks exceeds 34,000 square meters, and there are currently over 610 employees. The parks feature an Innovation Technology Research Institute, a product development center, and a manufacturing base.